The desire for a slim and strong body is a typical objective. We want to eliminate extra fat while keeping hard-gained muscle. This might seem like a difficult job. Fortunately, with the appropriate technique, attaining this balance is feasible. This article will educate you through the research-based ways for burning fat without compromising muscle in 2024 and beyond. We'll look into the critical roles of nutrition, exercise, and lifestyle modifications. Get ready to uncover your fitness potential and shape the physique you've always desired. This trip is about more than simply beauty. It's about boosting your health, energy levels, and general wellness. Let's go on this transforming road together. When it comes to altering your physique, nutrition reigns supreme. You can't outwork out a bad diet to burn fat and maintain muscle. You need to feed your body with the proper nutrients in the right proportions. The core of your nutrition strategy should be whole, unprocessed foods. These contain lean proteins, complex carbs, and healthy fats, and lots of fruits and vegetables. Each of these dietary categories plays a key part in obtaining your body composition objectives. Think of your body as a high-performing machine. To perform effectively, it requires premium gasoline. By selecting nutrient-rich meals, you'll offer your body with the building blocks it needs to lose fat and retain muscle. Exercise is the other half of the body change coin. While eating builds the framework, exercise is what sculpts your figure. The goal is to find routines that encourage both fat reduction and muscle preservation. Two important forms of exercise are critical strength training and high-intensity interval training or HIIT. Strength exercise such as weightlifting creates and maintains muscular mass. Muscle is metabolically active tissue, meaning it burns more calories at rest, even when you're not doing out. HIIT, on the other hand, is wonderful for burning calories and raising your metabolism, even after your workout is complete. Combining these two types of training will generate a great synergy for fat reduction and muscle building. Cardiovascular activity is typically regarded as a fat-burning powerhouse. While it might be advantageous, too much cardio, particularly lengthy, slow-paced exercises, can lead to muscle loss. So how do you discover the sweet spot? The solution resides in moderation and intensity. Instead of countless hours on the treadmill, aim for shorter, more intensive exercise sessions. HIIT, as noted previously, is a wonderful example. It gives a significant calorie burn in a shorter length of time. Another good technique is using low-intensity steady state or S exercise. This might be a brisk stroll, a leisurely bike ride, or a swim. These exercises burn calories without placing unnecessary stress on your muscles. Protein is a crucial ingredient for anybody wanting to burn fat and build muscle. It is the basis upon which a slim, powerful physique is formed. It serves a key function in muscle repair and development, helping to heal the microscopic breaks and muscle fibers that occur after intensive exercises. When you're in a calorie deficit, meaning eating fewer calories than you burn, ingesting adequate protein becomes even more crucial. This guarantees that your body receives the required building blocks to retain muscular mass while reducing fat. Aim for a protein intake of roughly 0.8 to 1 gram per pound of body weight every day. This range offers a healthy mix for most individuals promoting muscle maintenance and development. Good sources of protein include lean meats, which are not only high in protein, but also low in harmful fats, poultry, which is adaptable and can be cooked in many healthful ways, fish, which is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and eggs, which are a complete protein source, dairy products, which give calcium and other critical elements, beans, which are a wonderful plant-based protein source, lentils, which are strong in fiber and protein, and tofu, which is an excellent meat alternative for vegetarians and vegans. Don't be hesitant to spread your protein consumption throughout the day. Consuming protein at regular intervals helps to keep your metabolism functioning and promotes continual muscle repair. This will assist keep you feeling full and pleased, minimizing cravings and increasing muscular protein production. By making protein a fundamental element of your diet, you may attain a leaner, stronger physique. You've certainly heard the phrase macros tossed about in the fitness community. But what precisely are macros and why are they so important? Macros, short for macro, refer to the three primary kinds of nutrients your body requires in big quantities: carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. Each of these performs a distinct and crucial part in your overall health and fitness. Finding the appropriate mix of macros is vital for attaining your body composition objectives. This balance may help you optimize your energy levels, stimulate muscular development, and boost overall health. While protein is crucial for muscle development and repair, carbs give the required energy for your exercises and everyday activities. They are your body's principal fuel source. Fats, despite their generally unfavorable connotation, are important for hormone synthesis, cognitive function, and overall wellness. Healthy fats may be found in foods like avocados, almonds, and olive oil. Experiment with various macro ratios to see what works best for your body and activity levels. Everyone's demands are different, therefore it's crucial to adjust your macro consumption to your unique objectives. A decent beginning point may be 40% carbs, 30% protein, or more, and 30% fats. This ratio may be modified depending on your success and how your body reacts. Remember, consistency is crucial when it comes to seeing results. Stick to your strategy, analyze your success, and make modifications as required to keep on track. Strength training is frequently connected with bulking up, yet it's as vital for fat reduction. Lifting weights helps you create and maintain muscle mass, which, as noted previously, is metabolically active. When you have more muscle, your body burns more calories at rest, even when you're not doing out. This means you'll be torching calories even while you sleep. Aim to add strength training at least 2 to 3 times per week, hitting all major muscle groups, deadlifts, presses, and rows. These workouts train many muscular groups concurrently, making them incredibly beneficial for boosting muscle and burning calories. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a time-efficient and effective approach to burn fat and maintain muscle. It entails alternating between short bursts of vigorous activity and shorter recuperation intervals. This sort of exercise keeps your heart rate up, resulting to a substantial calorie burn both during and after your workout. HIIT also increases the release of growth hormones, which is necessary for muscular building and fat reduction. You may include height into your regimen by adding sprints to your runs, practicing interval training on the elliptical machine, or including body weight exercises like burpees, jumping jacks, and mountain climbers. While food and exercise are vital, lifestyle adjustments may dramatically affect your results. These modifications don't need huge overhauls, but rather gradual, sustainable tweaks that may lead to substantial outcomes over time. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of decent sleep each night. Sleep deprivation may lead to higher cortisol levels, which can hamper fat reduction and encourage muscle breakdown. Manage stress. Chronic stress may wreak havoc on your hormones and lead to weight gain. Find healthy strategies to handle stress, such as meditation, yoga, spending time in nature, or pursuing activities you like. The supplement business is inundated with goods promising quick fat reduction and muscle growth. While certain supplements might be useful, it's crucial to realize that they are not miracle pills. Focus on a healthy diet and fitness routine first and foremost. If you prefer to integrate supplements, do your homework and pick reliable brands. Some supplements that may be effective include protein powder, creatine, and caffeine. Remember, supplements should support, not replace a healthy lifestyle. Always contact with your doctor or a qualified dietitian before taking any new supplements. You now have a thorough grasp of how to burn fat without losing muscle in 2024 and beyond. This information is your foundation, but the true magic comes when you use it regularly. It's time to put this information into action and go on your transformation journey. Remember, every tiny step you take puts you closer to your objectives. Here's a review of the important findings and concrete advice to help you. These recommendations are meant to be practical and simple to adopt into your everyday routine. Prioritize complete, unprocessed foods. Fuel your body with lean proteins, complex carbs, healthy fats, and lots of fruits and vegetables. This not only assists in fat reduction, but also guarantees you acquire the vital nutrients for general wellness. Embrace strength training. Incorporate weightlifting at least 2 to 3 times each week, concentrating on complex movements. These exercises activate various muscle groups, making your training more efficient and effective. Incorporate height. Add brief spurts of vigorous activity to your program. To enhance calorie burn and muscle maintenance, height exercises are time efficient and can be done anywhere, making them excellent for a hectic lifestyle. Don't overlook cardio. Find a balance between moderate intensity cardio such as HIIT and LISS. Cardio helps enhance cardiovascular health and assists in fat reduction, complementing your strength training efforts. Prioritize protein. Aim for 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight each day to assist muscle development and repair. Protein is vital for healing and helps keep you feeling full longer. Master your macros. Experiment with varied carbohydrate, protein, and fat ratios to determine what works best for your body and objectives. Tracking your macros may give insights into your eating patterns and help you make smart modifications. Make sustainable lifestyle adjustments. Prioritize sleep, minimize stress, and remain hydrated. These elements play a vital part in your general well-being and may affect your fitness outcomes. Consider supplements strategically. Consult with a healthcare expert before introducing any supplements into your lifestyle. Remember, consistency is crucial. Supplements may supplement your diet but should not replace complete meals. Embrace the journey, remain dedicated to your objectives, and enjoy the transforming process of creating a leaner, stronger self. Celebrate your progress no matter how modest and keep pushing ahead. Your effort will pay off in the long term. Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.